Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Ledger Nano X on an iPhone. First, unbox your device and power it on. Next, download the Ledger Live application from the App Store onto your iPhone. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your Ledger Nano X with your iPhone using Bluetooth. This initial connection is crucial for managing your crypto assets securely from your mobile device. Now, let's configure your device. You'll either set up a new device or restore an existing one using your recovery phrase. It's vital to choose a strong PIN code consisting of 4 to 8 digits to protect your device. Most importantly, carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Keep it safe and never share it with anyone, as it grants access to all your crypto assets. With your device configured, it's time to install your cryptocurrency applications. Open the Ledger Live app on your iPhone and go to the Manager section. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your phone, and the Manager will display available applications. Select and install the specific crypto apps you need, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Each app allows your Ledger device to interact with its respective blockchain, enabling secure transactions. Finally, let's cover sending and receiving cryptocurrency. To receive, open the relevant crypto app on your Ledger Nano X and generate a receiving address in Ledger Live. Always verify this address on your Ledger device screen to ensure it matches. For sending, initiate the transaction in Ledger Live, then confirm all details, including the amount and recipient address, directly on your Ledger Nano X. This two-step verification ensures maximum security for your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.